Hey, what's up, guys? Do you want to make this amount of money popping around the screen, guys? It's easily, guys. You can make money by watching videos, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video, I gonna show how on website this will pay you watching videos, guys. Just a simple ads, guys, and it's available worldwide, no matter where you're from. It's also PayPal money, guys, and it's legitimate way to make money, guys. And let's further any do let's dive in this video, guys. Before diving this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below, guys, your thought, because I need inspiration, guys. I read all of your comment, guys. Please comment if you ask any question. Ask me and I reply, guys. Comment below and let's dive in this video. This website we're gonna see is called superpay.me, guys. You probably heard of or not. It's a superpay.me, guys. You can make little bit of money, but you can make just a side hustle, guys. It's just a side hustle, but you can make tons of money with this, guys. Just a $10 or $100 a month is easily, guys. Just watching videos you can get paid, guys, easily, guys. I show how it's work and how you can make money, guys, by watching videos. Stay tuned for more, guys. Watch till the end, guys. Don't skip. It's a crucial part of the video, guys. Don't skip. Let's go, guys. This is superpay.me, guys. Make money online, free paid service today, guys. But I don't recommend service. You can pay watching videos, guys. This is our main motive. Watching videos get paid, guys. First fast payment, guys. Within 24 hours you can get paid, guys. It's available. It's sorry, guys. It has PayPal and Skrill and Amazon gift card, but I highly recommend PayPal because PayPal is hot cold cash, guys. Everybody has a PayPal account, I think. You can withdraw your PayPal account, guys, and work from home, guys, and promo code cash counters. You can win cash counters $1,000 day, guys. I show how it's work, guys. Wait till end. I show back end office how it's work and how we can make tons of money with this with side hustle, guys. It's not a big money. It's not to make you millionaire overnight, guys. It's like a side hustle, guys. You can watch movies with this, get snacks, get lunch, get coffees with this, guys. It's just a side hustle. You can make your free time, guys, and work from home. It's available worldwide, guys. Let's go, guys. This is the company working with, guys. PayPal, Tango, Amazon, Skrill, Bitcoin, and GC, guys. Just join free. That you can receive 0.20 cents, guys, per bonus, guys. If you join, you can get 20 cents, guys, easily, guys. Just to take part of survey and get paid, guys. This is the payment option, guys. Amazon, Bitcoin, Tango, PayPal, Skrill. I think everybody has a PayPal account. If you don't want to withdraw your money via PayPal account, get Amazon gift card and buy whatever you want to buy, guys. It's just easy, guys. Just come over superpay.me and get paid, guys. I show how the backend will look like and earn cash, guys. This is the real hot cold cash, guys, not pointing system. This has a pointing system, but it different like a other kind of website, guys. I show how it's work, guys. Watch till end. I show backend how it's look like and we can make by watching videos, guys. It is also another lots of way, guys. Paid survey and contest and other many good stuff, guys. You can get paid. It's also referral program, guys. I show beforely how people are making good amount of money, guys. It's easy method. Just to come over this here and click join free today, guys. It's automatically take you to this sign up process. You can get put your email, password, and where are you from and where you been. It's something good stuff, guys. Put and get easily get withdraw. You can get back this dashboard, guys. This is the dashboard look like, guys. Superbet.me dashboard, guys. This is a simple dashboard, look like awkward, but it's super legitimate way to make money, guys. This is the proof how people can make money, guys. I show another proof in earlier this video, guys. If you see this, hit the subscribe button for me, guys. And I have already 0.20 cents, guys, because I sign in for you on how it's working, guys. It's a legit way to make money, guys. I review this website. People are making good amount of money with this, guys, because it's been here almost many years, guys. I've seen many reviews on Reddit. People are thinking this is a legit way to make money, guys. So I put a video about, so many YouTubers also put a video about, you may see or may not, guys, but this is video helps you a lot to make money, guys, because this is the online business entrepreneur to make money, help to make money, guys. There is the video motive, guys. Let's go how to make money watching videos, guys. Just to go to this tab and click offer walls, guys. There is lots of offer walls, guys. You can click add all offer walls. It's like a survey guys, survey contest. Sign up, that's like this. But go to all the way down and engage videos guys. Click this engage video, it automatically take you to this how to make money watching videos guys. It's easily guys, just loading guys. You do see guys, this is the look like guys, just watching videos 0.66 points guys. I show how's the points much withdraw your account guys. I show how much points worth, how much cash guys. Let wait and see guys. 0.66 guys, just click and watch guys. It's about 1 minute or 2 minutes video guys. It's easy money guys. Click load more, it automatically load more guys, but there is no available offer at the moment guys. It's automatically refresh daily guys. You can, if you don't have a video, you can get paid via survey guys, because there is lots of offer wall guys. AdGate, Peanut Labs, AdGym, Wall Ads, AdSense Media. Yes, you can make tons of money with this guys. There's lots of offer walls guys. It's also a referral program guys. Just a referral guys, refer your friends, you can get paid guys. Just you can get paid massive 25% of your referral earning guys. Easy money guys. I leave link my referral link. If you want join via my referral link, click the link guys, because it's helped me a lot to make this amount, this much of video more and more guys. Please click the link below and go sign up for me guys. I leave a link below guys, and you get 0.20 cents guys for your sign up guys. And leave a link below guys. I leave my link below, go sign up via my link guys, because I get some kind of money guys. Okay guys, this is the referral program. I leave this link below guys. Click this link below, it's the top of the description guys, and go to this website and sign up and get paid guys. Easy money guys. I show how it's work and how you can withdraw and how much point you can convert guys. Click convert point and cash guys. Easy guys. Just 1 point is equal to 0.1 cash dollars guys. Cash means dollars guys. 0.1. If you seen before guys, the watching videos, it give you 0.66 cents guys. That points guys, that means 0.66 cents guys. Is easy money guys. Just watching 1 minute of video, you can get paid up 0.66 cents guys. It's easily guys. Just convert your, just put your points, whatever you point you have, just to put 21 cash guys. 21 cash means $21 guys. You can easily withdraw your cash via PayPal, Amazon gift card, whatever it may be. You can withdraw guys. And you can how to withdraw guys. Come to reward and withdraw cash guys. I show how it's withdraw. The minimum withdraw for PayPal is $1 guys. You can easily get $1 guys. Did you see guys, people are making just $6, 70 cents, 80 cents, 12 points, 80 cents. People are making good amount of money guys. As I shown here, people are making tons of money guys. On the starting of the video, I like you guys because you watched till end. If you watched till end, hit the subscribe button for me guys. And this is the video you can making tons of money with this for your side hustle guys. This is not make you quick rich guys. It's been like a side hustle guys. You can watch, as I told you earlier, you can get paid via some side hustle and get some coffees and get some foods like this guys. And your payment withdraw comes your PayPal account within 24 hours guys. And but commonly between 2 to 8 hours guys. This is the fastest payment method I ever seen guys. Between 2 to 8 hours guys. Just to withdraw, you can get paid tomorrow guys. If you withdraw in night, you can get paid morning guys. It's easy money guys. Just to think guys, just to watching video get paid guys. It's not side hustle guys, as I told earlier guys. It's not to make you quick rich guys. If you want a quick rich, go to my channel, watch my some other videos, combine together and make tons of money with this and living with this money guys. Easy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share with your friends guys. And first you need to click or add your PayPal account guys. Click here and add your PayPal account guys. I just add a random account guys. Just a random account guys. You can add your PayPal account too guys. And this is how superpay.me looks like guys. You can make by watching videos guys. It's available worldwide guys, no matter where are you from. This is the payment proof guys. People are making killing with this guys. Just to see guys how many people are making tons of money with this guys. Not tons of money, just like a side hustle guys. $14, 80 cents, 80 cents. It's available worldwide guys. I think some people are posting only in USA, but my most of video, it's available worldwide guys. You can watch anywhere in the world and you can get paid anywhere in the world guys, if you take action guys. That's the video. You can take action and get paid, guys. Not watching and skip watching another video, guys. Just to get paid, you can just take action, guys. Just to take action and get paid, guys. Go to superbay.me or click a link in first description. That's my affiliate link, guys, and go get paid, guys. I just get 25% of your share, guys. Nothing else you can give me, guys. Just 25% of share you can give me, guys. Superbay.me give me, guys. You can give me. Superbay.me give me. Go sign up via my link because I get some money and some motive from you, guys. That's all, guys. This is the video for you, make you for you, guys. It helps you make you tons of money, not tons of money, side hustle. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. I catch you in the next video, guys. Make money online. Peace.